right, guys, we're back again. Happy Thursday. Today, one of your tasks is to write a recipe, something that you have watched a parent or a family member cook, something that you love, you think is delicious, a dessert, a snack, a food, meal, dinner.
Yep, I posted my meatballs. They're called Mama's Meatballs. And we posted a picture example so you could see, like, you have the list of ingredients and then you have all of the different steps. Because remember, when you give directions for something, they have to be very specific about what you have to do every single step, or
you'll end up with a disaster.
Hot Mess Express.
So, since you guys are going to be sending your recipes to us, we're going to turn them into a cookbook, but we figured it would only be fair if
we film ourselves.
So, I'm going to cook something.
And I'm going to film it.
Ready? Don't mind the mess or the crazy. Here we go. So, guys, first step, figure out what we should cook. I'm going to give Mrs. Pavao some options. Hold on. I'm going to give her some options. The options are, I can't figure out how to flip my camera, brownies, pumpkin bread, or macaroni and cheese. Obviously, spirals are the best. Let's see which one she picks.
I pick brownies.
Step, preheat the oven. Preheat oven to 325. Okay.
Your parents should be helping you with these steps.
Or don't cook at all, just write them down. Start. Okay. Prepare a baking pan by lightly greasing or spraying with non-stick cooking spray. I can do that. Oh, I'm afraid of what this is going to look like under here. Don't mind the mess. Good?
Clean.
Cleanish? Alright. Let's rub that in a little bit. Now I'm going to rub it with a paper towel so it's not on my hands and it's evenly all over the sides and bottom.
Your elbow just cracked. Something just cracked.
I'm getting old. Alright. I'm going to change this Cardi B song because that's not appropriate. Hopefully better. Clean up while we go. Oh, nope. This is going to be laziness at its finest.
Seriously?
Yes, seriously. Okay. Place water, oil, and egg in a medium bowl and stir fully until mixed.
Let's get all the ingredients together and we'll be right back.
Ingredients. Okay. 1 egg, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, I spilt it a little bit, and a 1/4 cup of water. So it says to mix them all in a bowl until they're fully combined. Water.
Yay!
Uh-oh. Ah, I overfilled it. Oil. And an egg. No shells. Professional. All right, let's mix. I'm gonna be lazy and use my mixer because I'm lazy.
Ooh, And what brand will you be using today, Miss Vogel?
I'm gonna use the KitchenAid stand mixer.
Excellent.
It's a great investment.
Stainless steel.
It's pricey, but when someone else buys it for you, it's worth it. All right, I'm putting on my mixer. Maybe if I can figure it out. I'm gonna lock her up, and I'm gonna turn her on. Mix, 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 mix. That seems fully mixed. I'm gonna turn it off and read my next direction.
Be right back.
Before we do the next set of directions, we need to be cleaning up.
I I don't like messes.
Well done, Miss Vogel.
I've stirred everything. It says to add the brownie mix and stir until well blended. Let's do this.
No paper cuts, Miss Vogel.
Try to be fun.
Because Nurse Robin isn't here to give you a wet paper towel.
I have plenty of wet paper towels.
Look at your lovely plants.
They're dying. Please don't show my mess.
There's no mess. This is a beautiful kitchen.
The whole house is a mess. Unlock. Add the mix. Mix until it's blended together. I could do this with my hands, but like I said, I'm lazy. We'll come back when it's blended. This seems well blended. Time to turn it off. All right, my next step. Spread in prepared pan. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna scrape all of the extra.
Oh, look at it. It's gooey and yummy.
Come off. I'm struggling, guys.
Up.
Oh, it's unlocked. Oops, just not strong enough. I'm gonna take all the extra off. Oven's preheated. Okay.
Here, I'll hold that for you. Thank you.
Is that facing you so they can see?
Nope.
This is what I'm looking at right now. Salmonella. The least of our concerns. Alright, spread it into the pan. I already sprayed it, so I'm good. I've got it all over my hands. First, what size is this? 9 by 9.
You'll need that information to know how long to bake your brownies.
I hope my milk's not bad.
We'll be right back.
Oops. Okay.
All right, now that Miss Vogel has it in the pan, and we know it's a 9 by 9, we're gonna check back for the directions to see. A 9 by 9 metal pan. The brownies go in the oven for 33 to 37 minutes.
I got it on my sleeve. We'll start with 33 and we'll check it then.
Okay.
My eyebrows.
Your eyebrows?
They're burnt off.
Oh, that's aggressive.
All right, close it up. Timer.
She'll get there, guys. Don't worry.
33. Start.
All right. We'll see you back in 33 minutes.
Okay, my timer's gone off. I did it for the slower amount of time, the least amount of time. So let's see if it's actually ready. I should get something to check. Don't let anyone see my kitchen utensil, my
Your
dirty
knife?
stove. All right, let's see. Ah! Hot.
I like that you're wearing a glove, Miss Vogel.
Yes, protection.
Safety first.
Let's see.
Insert the knife into the brownies.
Ooh.
They are
Came out
perfectly
clean.
done.
I'm going to shut this off so I don't burn my house down. And
Voila!
let's let them cool before we eat them. All right, so the brownies are done. We followed the directions. Now we're going to wait for them to cool before we eat them. But your job is to give us the ingredients and the steps to make your recipe. All right. Can't wait to see. Bye. Bye.